Today we talk about how can you enable news notifications on your Amazon Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on more down here. When just click here on more here, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do, just click here on settings. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications, click on it. Then you come to next step here. So then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on news, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to Alexa device notifications or news notifications. Just click on it. And like you see this color show for us, and here can you enable here this channels here. So that like you see news now, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.